In a world propelled by innovation, where the lines between science fiction and reality blur, one phenomenon stands at the forefront of transformation: artificial intelligence or AI, and its wondrous counterpart, machine learning. From revolutionizing industries to augmenting human capabilities, AI and machine learning have become integral parts of our lives, shaping the way we work, communicate, and even perceive the world around us.
The beauty of AI lies in its ability to learn from data, to adapt and evolve, much like the human brain. But unlike our biological limitations, AI holds the potential to transcend boundaries, unlocking solutions to complex problems previously deemed insurmountable.
Yet with great power comes great responsibility. As AI continues to advance, so too do the ethical considerations surrounding its use. Striking a balance between innovation and ethical stewardship is imperative to ensure that AI serves humanity's best interests. But amidst the debates and controversies lies a beacon of hope. AI has the potential to foster inclusivity, to empower individuals with disabilities, and to bridge divides, creating a more equitable society for all. As we journey deeper into the realm of AI and machine learning, one thing becomes abundantly clear: the future is limitless. With imagination as our compass and innovation as our guide, we embark on a quest to unravel the mysteries of the AI tapestry, forging a path towards a brighter tomorrow. For in the tapestry of AI, woven from the threads of human ingenuity, lies the promise of a world where the impossible becomes possible and the extraordinary becomes ordinary.